Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Srinivasan.net developer. Today in this video I am going to explain how to apply dynamic where clause in Entity Framework. I have created a form to explain how to use dynamic where clause in Entity Framework, and we have data grid view and some drop-down boxes to get filtered result depend on the user selected values. As you can see, we are showing all the rows of the bill details table from database. And selecting list of customer, address, and entered by values to apply on drop-down boxes using Entity Framework statements. Before explain about dynamic where clause, I want to show how normally we will use where clause to filter by more than one property. We must write all these conditions, and Entity Framework statement for each condition to get the results. These statements for only 3 properties. What would you do if you have more than 5 properties to filter and get the results? It will take more time and need to write tons of code. Now I will teach you how to write dynamic where clause in an Entity Framework statement. At first we are collecting the user selected values from these drop-down boxes, and watch how I am writing the code. I am simply using all, to get result without filtering the particular property. In your case it may be empty string or null, or anything else. And now I hope you can replace it. In the next video I will come up with a new topic. Thank you.